Hey, Lucinda Cross. What can I say about working with Lucinda Cross? Lucinda Cross is so much more than a vision board queen. Lucinda Cross is a marketing genius. Every time I sit down with Lucinda, I have a pen and a piece of paper because I already know that she is about to really spit some gems. Every time I see Lucinda, I am trying to record her. She doesn't even know it, but I'm trying to listen. I'm like, I need a pen and a piece of paper. I've been in several of Lucinda's programs. I am still currently in Activate Your Vision Academy. And when I tell you that this program is worth so much more, so much more. I've also done a mastermind with Lucinda, and it just changed the direction, the pace, just the vision of my business to get me where I'm going so much quicker than I thought I could. I've also recently done the vision session with Lucinda to go into 2022, which enlightened me so much and just made me do a couple of pivots. But sometimes you need somebody from the outside looking in who is winning, and Lucinda is winning. Lucinda is next level learning. If you want progress, then you need to work with Lucinda. There is no way you can lose when Lucinda Cross is your coach. There's no way you can lose when Lucinda Cross is on your team. So Lucinda Cross, so much more than a vision board queen, a marketing genius. I love you, Lucinda, and we will continue to work in 2022 and beyond.